Handy Hudsonite here. I bought this filter for my Whirlpool, so now I'm going to show you how we can put this in. The first thing that we need to do is we need to locate where the water filter is accessed, where the water filter plugs in. In my Whirlpool, in my particular model, it is going to be up here in the top on the right side of the top shelf. In some refrigerators, it could be underneath. But for this particular model, it is here. Just consult your owner's manual to find where your water filter lives. The way that we remove the old water filter is you'll see an arrow down here at the bottom, and it says lift up to remove. So I simply just lift up on that, and it'll start to push it partially out. All you have to do is pull this out. Now note the bevel here at the bottom and the direction, and these two parts sticking out here that need to be horizontal when it goes in. Just note that this has to go in the bottom to go in this track so that it can fit in there, and then there's actually a gap at the top. You can't see it here in the video. This part of the filter can be clear to go in. And I have the new one here. Now you'll feel that this is definitely lighter than our old one, and you want to make sure that they are the same. As you can see, these are exactly the same. The drop, everydrop model number 1. You'll notice that there is a cover on here for protection. Do not try to install it with that cover on. Just go ahead and take that covering off. Make sure these are on the top. I actually tried to install it this way and it didn't go all the way in. And you can actually see inside of there the holes where these will line up with. So let's just simply slide it in. Should go right in, and as you push it in, this door will partially start to close, and then you can just close the rest of it with that door. It should snap. That's it. All we need to do now is we need to get a container, get a large container, and then what we need to do, at least a container that's going to fit in here, is we need to run about 4 gallons of water through the system before you drink it, just to get it going through the filter, clean it out. Okay, so you simply run 4 gallons of water through the system, and at first you might experience some air coming through, and that's perfectly normal with a new filter. Just continue to run the water through and make sure to do the full 4 gallons. So I need to do about 4 of these. And that's how you replace your water filter on the refrigerator. So there's the replace filter light. It's still on. I put a new filter in, but it didn't intuitively know how to reset it. So what you do, it's easy, but there are a couple of steps, is you press the options button, and then here underneath, so the button that says lock, do filter reset. Then you have to hit confirm, which is this measured fill button. It'll beep a couple of times, and voila, you now have reset the filter light on your Whirlpool refrigerator.